So what are some of the common professions where we see science in action? Well, a good example of this would be medical science. So let's take a second to hear from a scientist who helps to make sure that we get the medicine that we need when we need it.
Hi, my name is Joytaya Pollard, and I'm a pharmaceutical manufacturing consultant. So I got my undergraduate degree from the University of Nevada, Las Vegas in biological sciences with an emphasis on cell and molecular biology. I wanted to use my degree to do research and development to find cures for diseases. I wanted to help people. I've always wanted to help people, and I thought that by doing research and development or working in the pharmaceutical field, that I would be able to help people that needed medicine, to get medicine to prolong their lives or to make their lives better. I've been working in pharmaceutical manufacturing field since about 2005, so for the last 15 years, I've been working in a STEM profession. A lot of people that do the type of work that I do minimally need a bachelor's degree. So make sure that you go and you get your education. A lot of people do biology, biological sciences, chemistry. Some people do biotechnology. There's a number of different degrees that you can get, but it's important to be educated when you work in this profession. I was working for Clorox, and they manufacture not only bleach, they manufacture a number of different products, including Fresh Step Scoop and Scoop Away cat litter. So I used to work as a laboratory technician, and in the lab, I was responsible for taking fresh cat poo and putting it in whatever formulation the scientists came up with to try to eliminate the smells and the odors that are associated with cat litter. I was responsible for putting in the cat litter and going around the office area, and I would find people that would volunteer to come and smell the cat pee and the cat poo to see if the formulation that the scientists put together, whether it actually worked. I love women in STEM fields, so I just want to say girls rocket science. So, yay girls, go women in STEM fields. Thank you.
Well, that's all for now. Be sure to check out our next video by clicking the link to the right. OMSI would like to thank our presenting sponsors, Boeing, Verizon, and also our supporting sponsors from CUI Devices and Microsoft for making STEAM Week digital content possible.